So I'm at the best viewing point for London City Airport. Well, I haven't been to actual London City Airport, but it's pretty bloody good. I'm sat here waiting for some action. I can tell you, after my failed journey, don't know if anyone's seen my video, it's only a short, at Heathrow Airport, trying to capture some bigger planes go off. I can tell you that probably two of them planes, how they are spaced apart, probably might not even be as big as an A380, which I tried to capture yesterday. So if anyone wants to check that out, then have a look. It's one of my recent shots. Yeah, feel free to check it out if you want. Tell me what plane it is, if anyone can tell from that distance. In the meantime, waiting for a plane to take off, we have some rowers. Right, he's starting his engine over there for some reason. I'm guessing he's ready to join the queue. Don't think they would take off from this end. Don't think they would take off going in that direction, unless anyone wants to tell me different. As far as I know, they only land coming in this way and then take off towards that way. Meanwhile, there's a plane guessing taking off from Heathrow. So the plane like that wouldn't take off a bit. Oh, looks like we have our first plane coming into land. I honestly thought it would be capturing one taken off before. There we go. What have we got here? Nice. Helvedic. Looks like one's joining the queue or skipping the queue even. Yeah, looks like one's probably ready to take off. Right, we have some action. I must say, I don't think I've seen that one here before. I've only done like one long film in there before. Looks like it's mainly British Airways, to be honest. There's another one coming into the land. Come on. 2 landings before 1 takeoff, that's unusual. Last time I think I caught 4 takeoffs on 1 landing. This looks like another British Airways, come on. Perfect landing. There's another one getting ready to join the queue or skip the queue, whatever. Oh, he's going for it. Go for it. Come on. Don't know what he's doing. Shit, almost missed that one. I'll tell you what that. It was obviously so small, I didn't really see it. There's another one. slow to get the camera rolling. Just is instantly coming in after that one took off. God, it's all like action that. This looks like it could be an ITA. Slight different colour from the British Airways, just, yeah, I think so. Okay then, let's see. ITA, I was right first time. I'll keep the camera on to see if anything's going on right now. Yeah, he's getting ready for takeoff. Cool. Just going to keep the camera on just to see how quickly he does it. Don't tend to hang around, look around there when everything is going on. Yeah, happy with this. He's getting ready already. There he goes. His engine is fired up. Do we have any more continual action? Oh, there's our ITA plane again. Nothing yet. Bloody hell, I shouldn't have took the camera off. I just noticed that in the distance. It's like one in, one out at the moment. I'm only guessing it's probably going to be a British Airways after most of the years. Could be wrong. He's taking his time, this one. British Airways. And some rowers. I don't know if Sunday's a regular practicing day or what. Again, let's see if there's anything else going on instantly. Oh, yes we do. A little tiny plane, I guess. Let's see how long this one takes. I wonder how that's going on. That's probably a private jet, I'm guessing. Surely that's not a destination for paying customers. Can be. Tell me if I'm wrong. See how long it takes. If it's too long, I'll cut it. That sounds like it's firing up. Different sound, very different sound. That's a small ass plane, that is. It's hardly got any windows. Again, let's see if there's anything else going on. No, not what I can see. Here is another one coming in. 2 minutes later, literally. What's this? Oh no, another small one. About the same size as the one I took off, I think. Really fast action there. Once the action gets going, that is. Francis Bourgeois, if your favourite planes. You have a field there. Come on. Chop chop. One from Heathrow, I'm assuming. And back to this one. Oh yeah. Oh, I love that sound. I'd love to see an A380 like this close up. Or a 747. Oh yeah, this is the best I've ever captured here. I don't think I've had any camera zoom in, zoom out mishaps either. It's been all pretty good. There's another one getting ready. Bloody hell, I'm impressed with this. Straight on, no messing around, he didn't even stop. Didn't even stop for takeoff, he's going straight on it. Never seen that before. Well, I think that's what he's doing anyway. I think. I've never seen him just go absolutely from the takeoff runway. Odd, maybe there's an issue. Yeah, he's turning back in. I haven't seen that. Rejoining. Got another small one here ready to do a takeoff. I say the patience paid off because I was waiting for about half an hour. And when it kicks off here, it kicks off. I'll cut back in, might take a while. I think it turned out that little one wasn't taking off, I thought it was going to. Obviously doing something else. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's it for today. I really want to do a live stream here one day, but I just looked up, I need to have 1,000 subscribers to do it public. Less than that, it's only going to be my private subscribers. But if you want to help me get to that subscription level, please do. There'll be more videos like this. You know, it takes me 20 minutes to get it from where I live, so yeah, feel free, subscribe for more of this. Thanks for watching, everybody.